When it comes to AI content, we distinguish between two main types: full AI and partial AI. Which one fits your brand's needs depends entirely on your specific situation, which is exactly why we need to discuss each one in detail first. Understanding when to use full AI versus partial AI is one of the most important strategic decisions you'll make. Let's break down both approaches and when each one makes sense. Full AI, your entire piece of content is generated by artificial intelligence. Every visual element is AI created. No real photography, no filmed footage, just AI-generated content from start to finish. This approach is ideal when you want to test new concepts without committing to full production. Let's say you're considering a new product line or exploring a different brand aesthetic. Instead of investing in a full photo shoot or video production, you can create complete editorials with AI to visualize your ideas and test audience response. Full AI also excels at creating content that would be impossible or impractical to produce in real life, like fantasy scenes, historical recreations, futuristic environments, or scenarios requiring locations or setups you don't have access to. So if you want to show your product in a luxury penthouse overlooking New York or on a tropical island, AI can generate these scenes with ease. The key advantages are speed and flexibility. You can create multiple full variations, experiment with different styles, and pivot quickly based on what resonates. The challenge lies in making the content feel authentic and aligned with your brand. Full AI must still be high quality and believable. Even when it's clearly artificial, the goal is to create an ad-like editorial style that would otherwise require CGI or heavy retouching. Partial AI means combining AI-generated elements with real photography or video. This is often the most practical and effective approach for most brands. For example, you might film yourself talking to the camera. That's real footage, but instead of shooting or buying B-roll, you generate specific AI visuals that match your narrative. That's partial AI. Or take a product shoot where you photograph the actual item, but use AI to generate the background. This gives you the authenticity of your real product with the creative flexibility of AI. Partial AI is especially useful for filler material. When you're editing and realize you need 3 more seconds of footage or a visual to explain a concept, AI can fill those gaps more effectively and quickly than searching stock libraries. The beauty of partial AI is that it offers the best of both worlds, your voice or your product, combined with the creative power of AI to enhance and extend your content. Now the question is when to choose which. Use full AI when you're experimenting or testing new concepts. You need content for scenarios you can't access. You want to produce high volumes of visual content quickly. Use partial AI when you want to maintain authenticity. You're enhancing real footage. You're filling content gaps. You're creating hybrid content that feels genuine but leverages AI's flexibility. Most brands will use a mix of both approaches depending on the content type and goal. The key is to remember, AI doesn't have to be all or nothing. It's a tool in your content creation toolkit. Use as much or as little as makes sense for each project.